Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to delete WhatsApp message permanently on your iPhone. Please watch the video till the end. Like it. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp on our iPhones or iPads. Then we go to Chats. Open up a particular correspondence. And now we select any message with you. Press delete. We also select all the messages that we want to delete. And then in the lower left corner, we press delete for me. Now these messages are deleted. But if we want to clear the entire chat room, we click on the profile of the person we've been chatting with. And then we go down to the bottom and we click clear chat. Click clear all messages. Then our entire hour with that person is cleared. That's how easy it is to delete a message permanently. And also clear chat. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give a like. Thank you all who watched this video to the end. See you later. Goodbye.